Look, Babasali house, nothing. Going back. Working tayo. Coming 10 o'clock. Hopefully, he is there.
Yeah, hopefully. Because
No, I giving too much bread.
like how much?
Too much.
Like 10, 11, 12, or like 13.
Mitain taro saboy.
Yeah, long time we didn't go Karuj. Me?
Ah.
Yesterday we went Karuj.
La wala.
Wallah. Karuj from France.
Hi. Good morning.
Who's there?
Mylin.
Your maid? She don't
Yeah.
have any maid.
Haday.
Why would I hide that?
Saboy.
Huh?
Mitaro other
Traveling?
eh
Maybe like after. 'Cause I
after
don't know what day. I think Sunday. Next Sunday.
next Sunday our going into our back to in Kuwait. Pawid Fawas.
We're going with Fawaz.
Yeah, and
As
then
Baba Nasser was coming with us. And we were traveling. And
yeah, Baba Nasser would come with you, sa?
Yeah. But you?
You don't know what day?
Yeah.
Wow, nice gumamila. Maybe 4 days like that.
Maybe. Because me?
Maybe Monday you go.
Maybe. But I don't have no idea.
Man, because after Friday,
After Friday.
our back Kuwait is so hot.
Yeah. It's gonna be so
Hot.
and I will have school
Oh, Mita.
when it be the full summer.
Oh,
Like so much fun.
Allah.
Go to school and I will graduate.
Let me
and
check.
I finish graduate.
Mashallah. They bring mat. Haifa, Nana Birji.
Yeah.
She took mat. And then they are sitting there. It's better I message Baba.
Why didn't say to Virgin?
What? I want to say, wait for Sabah. But, bonjour. 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 Wala bonjour. Top in the mountain. Wala. And,
Voila. What?
car.
That's not
Okay. Oh my God. I heard the sound of the car. Wow. Saboy. I want Ana Virgia to go Geneva.
What? As we're traveling.
No.
Geneva.
Geneva there. And then back.
As we're real traveling Geneva.
I feel shy, Baba told.
For what?
Go Geneva.
I'm not.
Yoo-hoo! 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 Haifa! There is Haifa, right? Yoo-hoo! 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 Gihatod day mo day? Ay, paala! Hala, look, the ducky, look! Look, the other one! Look! Oh, Saboy! Yala, count the duck! Haifa! Count the duck! Hay, gikapoy ko ni Sabaday! Grabe paspas og lakaw! Feeding for ducky! Long time no see! Good morning, ducky! Tagana sa ducky. Feeding them. Ha? No gani. Yes, nakaduol na town ko. O may nag-golf oh. Ayan. Kaya very clean the area here. Kay mayroong nag-golf. May naglaro ng golf. Very clean. Dahil kaingon patay. Yani if I go back home, I will not come back. Because Baba Nasir will wake up now. Little time we're going. Exactly the Daki taking the bread here. My little Daki. Tambal sa pagod dito lang. Dito lang kami always. Sana ihatid tayo sa Geneve. Kahit na lang 1 hour. Daming ano doon. Daki. Maputi pa yung ano nila doon. Daki, daki! Oh, sumayaw. Dayang, dayang. Dayang, dayang. Daki, daki, daki. Come, come, come. Come. I don't have food already. Saboy, nothing bread. Come, Daki, come, 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 come. 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 Come, Daki. Ay, panusik. Kay, wala na ba yan ni ako ang kuan, kamot. Daki, Daki. Daki, Daki. Daki, Daki. Daki. Saboy, nothing bread. Wala na bread. Hindi na sila magkuan. Dool. Ay. Tanawa na sila. Mga tanda na. Ay, nalimot ko. Oh my God. That is the fountain. Ha, mahuli na ta? You're well back. Diya ba, gusto ko musulod. Nakasulod ng kuana sa una, pero karong pagkakuana, wala. Karong pagani, wala. Baka mga Lunes, siguro na sila lakaw ba? Naapay. Karon? No, come. Come here. Yala, go back ka. Asa na, now Baba, wake up.
Big park? Yeah.
Little Haifa. Little Haifa. Nagdala pa kag banig.
Nadalag banig, yawa man gihapon ni.
Wa ka nagligid-ligid ay. Hoy, car. Car. Ay, mapatay ko sa imong baba ba. Deres car sa boy. Take care. But the car here not seem Kuwait. They are waiting for...
Hoy! Di ka magkagang sa imong samad.
Hold, Mary. Hold.
What you doing? My little monkey cat sa tree.
Hold. Someone hold me.
Dali na sa boy.
Mary. Mary.
Ah, ambot lang ninyo oy. O era kaayo mo.
Yawa.
Wa may. Mylin nagtawag kong Mylin dito ba nasa di Mylin nasa dito. Naada siya spikas balay.
Mama lang itilong naman sin sa kuan siya. Nakaka sa Bisaya. Bisaya. Kasi
Pero
meron ni.
tuwa siya dito ng hugas pero murag siya lang isa dito sa pikas balay.
Don't run.
Yala. Yala saboy. May balik-balik na lang ta guys. Wala, diri lang amo ang banda. Saboy, diri naikabaw. Dali. Wow, nangilo ang gwapo day.
Yang guwapo dah.
Nangilo ang gwapo day.
Yang guwapo dah.
Nangilo. Ngilo. Aywa.
Girl, initial problems.
Girls. Oh, girls, anything problem? Here,
Girl, initial problem.
come. Girl. Come, there is car. Why? Magandang mga bulaklak na dito. Ayan. My little monkey and bird. There you. Yala saboy. Or go back.
We're not gonna run.
Baby, ako
Saboy. No. Ay, bot sa inyo.
I want to watch a gummy. I want to watch a gummy. I want a gummy.
Ambot sa inyong dalawa.
Can I drink? No. Can I no give you idea? Okay.
Diha bahadiya. Sus, dere sa una nagkat-kat pa may nag-picture taking. Saboy, give! Allahu Akbar. Look, next time I will bring water. Yala, it's near. 1 minute, I'll reach our home. Saboy. Wow, the rose is white. It's very nice. Gamamela. Ang daming bulaklak dito, madaanan natin guys. Wala nang iba. Wow, there is yellow here. There is yellow rose. Ayan, ganda siya. Saboy, next time we're not coming back here. You are not listen. Yala. Nindota sa yellow day, oh. Naanasad ko'y madit-dip. Balik-balik lang ning kuana oy roda na to. Mabantok ni ba? Habantok ni ba? When. Nandito sa mga bulaklak. Oh. I love the roses. Ay, ow! Whew! Saboy, your hand is very...
I do for Lisa like this and this and that.
No, don't do like that for your nanny. Ow! I will tell Baba Hamad. You beat me. You beat me. Huh? Saboy, I will tell Baba Hamad now. If Saboy beat me again, I must be tell. Kanida, ani sa una day.
Bell. Also don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching my video.